daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up to you touch. Hey my sweeties, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samgelo Mkuno. You can call me Sam, Samuel or Samge, whichever one you like. Welcome to another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey my sugar, thank you so much for joining me once again. And if you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my videos and that you stay. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to become a member of my beautiful family, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. But yeah, welcome to another video. I'm starting a vlog. I'm starting a silent vlog. I know initially when you start a silent vlog you don't need to put an intro, but I just felt like doing it because right now I'm not really doing anything besides studying, so I'll just be taking you guys through a random day in my life approaching exam season. We are nearing exam season. We're almost halfway through the year. It's quite hectic, honestly. If I put you guys into perspective, life has been lifing, school has been schooling, and my personal life has just been throwing hands at me, but we're thugging it out. But yeah, I just wanted to start the video and give you guys a cute little intro and urge you guys to please subscribe to my channel, or at least like my videos. I mean, not everyone is going to like me enough to subscribe to my channel, but if you are watching this video right now, please do give it a thumbs up, and YouTube algorithm will literally send my videos to people who are going to subscribe to my channel, you know, people who like the type of content that I make. So if you're watching this till this far, please do give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. But yeah, what else do you want to talk to you guys about before I close it off, because I will not be saying anything further. I don't really have a hectic week. It's quite basic. I do have something exciting happening this weekend. I can't wait for that, and I'm going to vlog for you guys definitely. But yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. I'm trying out silent vlog, you know, and not say anything, because I've mentioned in one or two of my previous vlogs that I am trying to get in the groove of like not coming here and sitting down and talking to you guys, instead of like just show you guys what I'm doing, and you know, maybe one or two vlogs and see how you guys like that and see how I like that. Because personally for me, I would rather just sit here and talk to you guys about anything. But I am aware that some of my subscribers don't really like that type of content. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an intro. I know I haven't vlogged in a while. Like, my vlogs are just months and months apart, which is kind of frustrating for me, but also at the same time I'm giving myself grace because there's a lot happening in my personal life, and you know, also with school and everything, and I'm just going through my own transitions. Yeah, I'm going through my own transitions in life, so I'm not just putting any pressure on myself. I'm just taking this as calmly as I can. I'm doing my last year of school, so that also adds to the pressure. Doesn't make things easy. But yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Yeah, I will talk to you guys on my next vlog. I love you guys so much. Bye.
So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Oh, let's let some more away right now. So let's spend less than another day. Come to find out to see the moon. Let's say nothing to say like the top down. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and I'ma wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now, I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes wanna be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go and wait, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it, it's not. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to heal, but ooh, no, you like that shit, ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep on losing the best of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the getting in my mind. I think I know. I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex around you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
I ain't frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying. I ain't blaming on me and you the main one lying. I ain't threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying. Just tryna be your nigga, yeah, the main one crying. I ain't frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying. I ain't blaming on me and you the main one crying. I ain't playing the leave and I'm the main one crying.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.